everybody, it's Miss Elizabeth from the Sachem Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to be making rain gauges. It's really a lot of fun. It's great. It's used for measuring how much rainfall you have. I used it all summer in my garden, and you can use it to measure the different seasons and how much rain you get in different seasons. It's really fun to compare that to maybe if you have friends in different states doing that, how much rain they got in there over in their gauges. So it's a lot of fun. It's very easy to make. So all you need is a bottle of water. As always, I'm upcycling bottles. A permanent marker, a ruler, and something to cut with. And something to put in the bottom to level out the start line. If you see in this one I have gems, because you have to have a flat start line to measure from. You don't measure from the bottom, which has got the bottle bumps. Okay. So we're going to start by drinking our water. You're going to take the paper off. Very simple. Try and get it off nice and clean. Sometimes it leaves a little white underneath behind. Try and go slow. Take that off carefully. Okay. So what you're going to do is first, you're going to cut off this very top line. This is going to create a funnel that you use to have the water just go in the one part and not spill back out. Okay, there you go. Next, you are going to draw the measurement lines on your bottle. So you're going to choose a flat line. Do that at 1 inch up. Sometimes the bottles have a nice flat one. This one is kind of wavy, so I'm going to have to choose 1 inch and not follow that line. Put it down on the table so that it holds nice and flat. There you go. That's my 1 inch line. So I'm going to follow that all the way around the bottle. Might be easier with a tape measure. But you know, as usual, I use what I have, right? Mates up, we win. And I don't know if you can tell that. About 1 inch up. Then you're going to take your rocks, gems, whatever you happen to have. I got Legos today. And you're going to fill up to just that line that you just made. That's it. Fill up to that line. Okay? Then you're going to use a little bit of water. Oh wait, not yet. You put in your rocks, gems, whatever, to get you up to that 1 inch line. You are going to finish marking the rest of your, actually, probably want to do that before you put the rocks in. But I went with centimeters. And I marked a 5 centimeter line, a 10 centimeter line, and each centimeter in between. So that, you can do centimeters, you can do inches, it doesn't matter. 5 centimeters, 10 inches. I mean 5 inches, 10 centimeters, it's about the same. Okay, so whatever measurement you have that's easiest for you. Centimeters is nice because you can go in small increments. So starting at that 1 inch line, then I did, say, Okay. This top is 10 centimeters. This one is 5 centimeters. Okay. Then you are going to fill just up to that 1-inch line that you started with. You see that? Go back to your funnel, put that inside, and you're going to tape that closed. Okay. I used clear plastic packing tape last time. This time I just have a little masking tape. All you gotta do is tape it closed. Use Scotch tape. This will not be as pretty as my first one. Science is always pretty. Of course, my tape doesn't work. Got it. Okay. And that's it. That's your rain gauge. So you leave this out in the rain. Usually away from trees, away from the eaves of your house. All of that will affect how much. I forgot to take the cap off. Okay. Now you are ready for your funnel. Take the cap off. Put the funnel inside the bottle and tape it up. Okay. This will also keep the edges from being sharp plastic, which is nice when you're working with young ones. My 5-year-old loves to check our rain gauge, and it's nice that it's not sharp. Okay, that's it. Now, if you want to know how to empty it after you've gotten your first measurement, I ended up putting a slit in the plastic in one of the corners. In the tape in one of the corners. I just squeeze it a little so that that part of the funnel kind of comes apart, and I pour it out. And then you're ready to go again. Don't forget to fill it 1 inch with water before you put it out for measuring. That's it. It's that simple. All right. Enjoy. Happy gardening.